Hey folks, this is Gazwan Kari over at SharePointQuester.com. Today I'll be going over enabling and configuring document IDs in SharePoint 2010 Server. First, a few comments around document IDs. The first thing is to decide whether you must activate the document ID feature or not. Although it can be useful, if your organization doesn't require it, then there's no reason to configure or activate the feature. Bear in mind that your document IDs are enabled at the site collection level. Therefore, you may want to activate it on one site connection but not the other, depending on how your site collection or what is your site collection reflecting from a business standpoint. If you do decide to activate this feature, you must decide what prefix to use for all your unique document identifiers. So you can specify a feature or a prefix between 4 and 12 characters. Typically what you want to do if your site collections are a reflection of your departments, then you would prefix it with a department name, sales or HR or finance, etc. When you configure your own prefix, you can also specify that the existing document IDs should be reset to begin with that same prefix. This is going to integrate real well with SharePoint Document Center and Record Center. You could configure search capabilities to go out and search against document IDs. The Document Center and Record Center have document ID search capabilities as well, so that's going to be great searching for documents, because the document ID feature, basically what it does, it attaches this unique identifier to documents, and it's going to be easier to retrieve them regardless of their location. So if you eventually say use a content organizer or some kind of records policy to purge these documents to a different location, then they're going to be easily found from a search perspective. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to activate document IDs and reset all document IDs to use the same prefix. So we're going to go basically to our SharePoint site collection again, because this is configured at the site collection level. We're going to do site actions, site settings. Under the site collection administration, we're going to select site collection features. You're going to see there's going to be a document ID service. We're going to go ahead and activate that. Once it's activated, let me go back to site collection administration, and you're going to notice now that we have a couple of extra items in here. We have document ID settings, or just one actually, just the document ID settings. We're going to launch or go into document ID settings. And we're going to make sure that the assign document IDs is selected. That's number one. Begin with the following characters. This is where you come here and you say, for example, sales. If you do 3 letters, it's going to actually complain and tell you that the document ID has to be between 4 and 12, so we're going to say sales. This is where we reset all document IDs in the site collection to begin with these characters, and we're going to go ahead and say use the search scope for ID lookup as well. And we're going to go ahead and select OK. And that has been completed. So this has been a video for how to activate document IDs and reset all document IDs to use the same prefix. Thank you for listening in. Until next time.